Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Chime how to change PIN. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your PIN from your Chime Visa debit card, you can do so directly through the Chime app. Now to do it, simply head over and open up your Chime application, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login option on the bottom and entering your credentials. Then once you are logged into your account, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then inside, select cards from the menu. Then choose your physical debit card, not virtual cards. And then once do that, tap on manage physical card. Then simply tap on change PIN and then follow the on-screen prompts to set and confirm your 4-digit new PIN. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.